The criminal Ifeanyi Ubah is in Germany looking for Simon Ekpa. Tell him to come to Finland. I live in Finland, not in Germany. Simon Ekpa tweeted. Welcome back to Barnabasgist, my people. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Have you followed us on Facebook here? Have you don't subscribe for our YouTube channel? Or may you run subscribe now so they bring them hot to hot, back to back as they happen. You are welcome. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you are watching us from. Let's go and read that what Mazi Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of government, Biafra government in exile, right? He said, in the presence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they attacked Ekweremmadu in Germany. After they kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they invited the masterminding of the kidnapper, which is Ifeanyi Ubah, and they are celebrating with him in the same Germany. Where are the egg throwers? If I remember that time, but I said they throw egg, give Ekweremmadu that time. They are all gone because there was a fake freedom fighter. They are now dining with the corrupt criminal looking for peanuts. This is what Mazi Simon Ekpa tweeted on his Twitter handle. Hello my people, you don't see as the matter take reach. I'm going to play you the video where Ifeanyi Ubah the knack pang pang pagole ogele ogelempa pang pang pagole ogele ogelempa. So I'm going to play the video and we'll come back and talk about the video. So stay tuned and watch the video. They watch am werente Korana wang beraka werente. Hey, you don't read though, my people. Are you watching it? You don't read werente. Hey, Ifeanyi Ubah come Germany to come play werente. He even talk for this video, just a watch. He even talk for this video, say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Thank you, distinguished senator. We appreciate your performance.
Thank you. Thank you.
We appreciate
distinguished senator. Let distinguished senator greet the house.
Well, first and foremost, I will appreciate Your Excellency, the Consul General, that invited me. I will go to the stage, but let me greet them first here. Never Kwenu! Never Kwenu! Igbo question. I need the alumni Frankfurt, Germany. Tata Bo Bosi Obabanise, 5th of August 2023. The Nigerian Embassy, the Consul General, invited the Anambra South Senatorial District and the Senate of Nigeria. Now this is a occasion now. In fact, I am so pleased to be here because the Consul General has been very extraordinary courage and value for the unity of Nigeria. It is rare at this moment if any Consul General or any embassy where he hosts the kind of gathering of all ethnic groups of Nigeria. When I say na honestly na nke onye akala onye okwa nke abụ nke mo nke abụ nke anyị nke abụ nke ndị Igbo. So asị ka nkene ụmụnne anyị niile ndị nọ na Germany wee bụrụ na obi dị anyị mma agbanyeghị ọka ka ife si wee doro anyị na nwanne anyị nwoke nọ n'ime ka ọ na-anụ ọgụ Chineke ga-eme ebele ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma. Ọ ga-adịrị anyị Igbo mma. Ọ ga-adịrị anyị Igbo mma. Ọ ga-abịa adịkwa na Naịjirịa mma. Ife niile awọlụ ndị Igbo anyị ga-enwetakwa na Naịjirịa. Ọzọ m na-ekwu. Ana m ekele onye ọbụla bịara ebe a na-agwa ụnụ na anyị nọ ya na nsogbu adịrọ. Anyị nọ ya ga-anọrịrị ụnụ. Chineke ga-anọrịrị anyị. Daalụ n'ohinne. Mr. Constitutional, thank you very much. May God bless you and your wonderful family. Thank you for inviting me to this wonderful occasion. God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. In your eyes.
Ifeanyi Ubah need anima. Ifeanyi Ubah need
Come on, please. Senator, we thank you very much. Your Excellency, we appreciate you. Thank you, sir. Let's go ahead, sir, with our plans. God bless you, Your Excellency. Obibo, Frankfurt.
Please, the microphone, please.
Welcome back as you have watched that video. Okay, the question here is, Ifeanyi Ubah is in Germany. You see how upon his sitting there, know that he's shining his eyes everywhere to know when they will attack him. If you watch him very well, he's not truly comfortable there when he's sitting. But the truth is that he's enjoying the comfort, the freedom, the environment, everything. And you have been politician for a while. What have you people achieved in the development of the Igbo land? I'm not talking of Biafra now, Igbo as a whole. When it comes to Igbo land, what have you people contributed? Forget about dashing people car, give me what have you contributed in yourself to make it look like that outside you guys enjoy it? This is the question. And this is what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting. So to make everywhere better for me and you, for any other person, even all over the world, to enjoy the beautiful things they are also enjoying in outside country. So Ifeanyi Ubah, when you go home, rethink. If this accusation, they're accusing you, you know what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, rethink, my brother. We have a short period in this life, and when we don't use it very well, I think it's better that you leave a legacy. Like the way white people are doing, they leave a legacy. They leave something behind. This mark somebody beat this, mark somebody do this. So, but we live a life of let us be rich until where we die. Thank you so much for watching this broadcast today, and I want you to hurry and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow this page for more updates.